The first thing I want you to do is make sure you're using Google Chrome throughout this course. There are a lot of benefits to using Chrome for social media marketing and Pinterest marketing, but the biggest thing that will help you out are the different extensions and plugins. I use a lot of plugins, and you won't need all the ones that I use, but there are a few that are essential for Pinterest marketing. If you don't already have Google Chrome downloaded on your computer, be sure to do so. I've added a link so that you'll have an easy way to download it on your computer. Now I want to show you how you can log in and what some of the benefits are. So right now you can see that I'm logged in as Vireo. If I wanted to, I could switch to another user that I've already logged into using this computer. You can see I have a lot, and I use these for different setups and different businesses that I market for. Alright, so if I go ahead and click on Manage People, I'll be able to add a new person or browse as a guest. If you already have a Gmail account, I recommend you go ahead and click Add Person, and then give your person a sensible name. For example, I could do Pinterest demo. I think this flower looks cute. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and click Add. Next, you'll be encouraged to sign in. Be sure that you sign in so that if you ever need to switch computers, or if you typically work from multiple computers, you'll have all your bookmarks and plugins right in front of you. You can see here that to sign in, I need a Google account. I would simply enter in my email and then enter in my password. I'm not going to show you that here because I don't have an account to log into, but once you're logged in, you should see your own name in some form up here. If you strongly prefer to use another browser, such as Firefox or Safari, you can still move forward with this course, but some of the things will be more difficult. That's it for this lesson. In the next lesson, we'll make sure you have the right kind of Pinterest account.